Good evening, dear viewers and listeners. I hope you will be fine, happy, and healthy. Today we will begin Unit 3 of Level 2. Level 2 and Unit 3. First of all, there are the communication or baat-sheet of Unit 3. So in communication, we will talk about making a phone call. That how can we will make a phone call. After that, asking for and giving location. पूछना और महल वक़ू बताना. लोकेशन मीन महल वक़ू को कोई आदमी कहाँ है. सो महल वक़ू के बारे में देयर विल बी डिस्कशन. सिमिलरली वी विल आल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट नेम्स एंड एड्रेसेस कि एक बंदे का नाम क्या है और इसकी एड्रेस कहाँ है. एड्रेस मीन पता. सो एक आदमी का पता क्या है. वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट. एंड फ़ोन नंबर, व्हाट्स योर फ़ोन नंबर और अबाउट द फ़ोन नंबर वी विल डिस्कस इन दिस यूनिट. सिमिलरली इन प्रैक्टिकल लैंग्वेज वी विल टॉक अबाउट मोर क्लासरूम इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड वी विल आल्सो टॉक अबाउट द डेज एंड द मंथ. दिनों के बारे में और महीने के बारे में वी विल आल्सो टॉक अबाउट. In grammar, dear viewers, we will talk about be, a yes no question and short answer. So what is be and your yes no question and short answer we will talk about in detail. Who, what, where question we will also discuss. Preposition at, preposition we will discuss and at. Preposition mean harfi jar. Preposition harfi jar. Inshallah today we will discuss it. And beside these we will also talk about homework, school, in plus room mean preposition at and preposition in detail we will discuss in this unit. So for the title of the unit is concerned, so what's the title of the unit? Good. Is Bob there? So when we are talking about the presence or absence of anybody, so we can ask in this way. Is Bilal there? Is Aisha there? Is your father there? कि आपका वालिद उधर है जो जहाँ पर आप बैठा है. Is Khalid there? क्या खालिद वहाँ पर है. So in this such a way we talk about is and then we ask about the person, living thing or non-living thing we can use. Is my mobile phone there? Is my bag there? So when we talk about the presence or absence of anything in a particular place, we are talking in this way. Mike Young is a student at Winfield High School. Mike is calling his friend Bob. Bob's brother Sam answer the telephone. या सो बॉब माइक यंग अपने घर को कॉल करती है और उसका भाई सैम टेलीफोन पर जवाब देती है. सो व्हाट डज सैम से? हेलो. सो माइक हेलो बॉब. तुम बॉब बात कर रहे हो. सो व्हाट डज सैम आंसर? नो दिस इज सैम. नहीं मैं सैम हो. जब हम टेलीफोन पर बात करते हैं और व्हेन वी से कि मैं बिलाल बोल रहा हो, सो दिस इज बिलाल स्पीकिंग. दिस इज इन द टेलीफोन वी शुडंट से आम बिलाल स्पीकिंग. This is Aisha speaking. This is Khalid speaking. So usually in the mobile phone when we are talking we should use this is, not I am. So no, this is Sam. मैं तो Sam हो. So what does Mike answer? Oh hi Sam, it's Mike. Good. हो oh hi Sam, it's Mike. Oh अस्सलाम वालेकुम Sam, मैं तो Mike हो. So Sam क्या जवाब देता है? Oh hi Mike. Oh hi Mike. Oh वालेकुम अस्सलाम Mike. So Mike इज़ बॉब देयर. क्या बॉब वहाँ है? आपका भाई बॉब जो है वो उधर मौजूद है. सो व्हाट डज सैम आंसर? गुड. आई एम नॉट श्योर. मुझे तो यकीन नहीं है. श्योर मीन यकीन. आई एम नॉट श्योर. जस्ट अ मिनट. वी विल प्रोनाउंस इट श्योर. जस्ट अ मिनट. थोड़ा इंतज़ार कर लो. जस्ट अ मिनट मीन थोड़ा इंतज़ार कर लो. मैं पूछता हूँ कि वो है या नहीं है. थोड़ा इंतज़ार करो. जस्ट अ मिनट. When we say that थोड़ा इंतज़ार कर लो, so we should say just a minute, I'm changing my clothes and then come. Just a minute. So then he goes and asks his mom. So what does Sam say? Hi Good. Hey mom or he mom wears Bob. Hey or he, both of them mean are. Some we can pronounce it hey or he. अरे मम क्या wears Bob? Bob कहाँ है? So what does the real answer? Very good. He is in his room. वो तो अपने कमरे में. He is contraction form. So what then Sam goes to his room. And what does he say? Good. Bob phone. It's Mike. Bob तुम्हारा phone है और Mike ने ये phone किया है. So what does Bob answer? Okay, coming. ठीक है मैं आ रहा हूँ. Coming. So Sam फिर आती है टेलीफोन के पास और क्या कहते हैं? गुड. हाय माइक. ही इज़ कमिंग मीन माइक अभी आ रहा है, वो घर पर है, आ रहा है. सो माइक क्या कहती है? थैंक्स सैम. सैम आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आपने मेरे लिए ये खिदमत किया. थैंक्स शुक्रिया. सैम सैम आपका शुक्रिया. एंड थैंक्स डियर व्यूअर्स, वी शुड प्रोनाउंस इट. There are 3-4 form of thanking anybody. That is thank you. When we say thank you, so then we should thank you. Thanks you we shouldn't say thank you. Similarly अगर हम इससे भी ज़रा मज़ीद और शुक्रिया अदा करना है, so thank you so much. तो thank you so much. अगर हम इससे भी ज़्यादा शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहते हैं किसी बंदे का, सो देन वी शुड से थैंक यू सो मच इंडीड. इंडीड भी इसमें शामिल करनी चाहिए. थैंक यू सो मच इंडीड. सिमिलरली वी शुड से थैंक्स. थैंक्स आपके बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. व्हेन वी राइट इट प्लूरल, सो देन वी शुडंट यूज़ यू. थैंक्स और थैंक्स अलॉट. थैंक्स अलॉट मीन बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक्स अ बंडल आल्सो समटाइम वी से, आपका बहुत बहुत एक बंडल शुक्रिया. थैंक्स अ मिलियन आल्सो समटाइम द पीपल से थैंक्स अ मिलियन, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. मिलियन दफ़ा आपका शुक्रिया. सो वी शुड यूज़ दीज वर्ड. थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच इंडीड, और थैंक यू वेरी मच आल्सो. सो एंड वेरी हैव द सेम मीनिंग. थैंक यू वेरी मच इंडीड और थैंक यू सो मच इंडीड, बोथ आर राइट. So now let's begin the presentation 1, asking for and giving location. मीन क्वेश्चन करना और जगह बताना कि कोई आदमी कहाँ है. So let's first repeat it. A, where's Adela? She's at home. B, we Orchid and Howard. They are at home. Yeah, they are at home, but they have written here also contraction form. They are at home. Similarly, the third one, where's Sam? He's at work. He's at the garage. Yeah. What does garage mean? Yeah, a garage mean जैसे हम शोबा कहते हैं, शुबा, और जहाँ पर गाड़ियाँ फिक्स होते हैं, ठीक होते हैं, और जहाँ पर गाड़ियों के तेल वगैरह भी मौजूद है. वी यूजुअली पार्किंग लॉट, फॉकिंग लॉट. पार्किंग लॉट मीन गाड़ी खड़ी करने की जगह. बट यूजुअली वी इंस्टेड ऑफ पार्किंग लॉट वी यूज़ गैराज. सो गैराज इज़ नॉट, पार्किंग लॉट इज़ डिफरेंट फ्राम गैराज. पार्किंग लॉट वही होता है जहां हम आमतौर पर ज़ाती या कोई भी गाड़ी रात के वक्त या खड़ी करते हैं फालतू वक्त में, जब हम इसे इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं. एंड गैराज इज़ दैट प्लेस वेयर द व्हीकल आर फिक्स्ड एंड वेयर ऑयल इज़ अवेलेबल. Different kind of vehicle are fixed by the mechanic, so that is called garage. So he is at the garage. Now D number, where's Elena? She's at work. She's at the hospital. Yeah. E number, where's Tom? He's at work. He's at the office. Yeah. F number, where's Liz? She's at work. She's at the telephone company. Where are Bob and Mike? They are at school. Where are Lisa and Joyce? They are at school. So that was the presentation, dear viewers. Now we are going to explain it a little bit. In this activity, we are talking about 2-3 things which you should listen attentively and try to learn as well. The first one is where. The first one is what? Where. So actually, where is what in grammar point of view? Yeah, it's information question. What kind of question? Information. One is yes no question and one is information question. So where is information question? Information question are those questions which ask about information, the answer of which we cannot give in the form of yes or no, but which we need further information. And there are 7 WH, they are also called WH question. Sometimes they are also called WH question, and sometimes information question. They are called WH question because they begin with the word WH. For example, where, who, what, when, why, which. Inshallah, we will discuss all of them in detail on their own place. But today we are talking about where. So what is where? Information question or WH question. What does where mean? Kaha. Where mean kaha. So when we ask about the place of anything, so we use where. We use where for what? To ask about the place of anything. So where this information question is used to ask about place. To ask about a place. जब हम place के बारे में पूछते हैं किसी भी चीज़ का, तो we use ask. For example, where's Bilal? So he's at home. Where's my bag? It's in the room. Where's your father? Where's your mother? When we are talking about to ask about the place of any person, anything, so we use the question where. So I hope you will have learned the meaning of where, and that where is an information or WH question. Secondly, in this activity, we are talking about the preposition at. Preposition what? At. At in grammar point of view is what? It's a preposition. Preposition mean harfi jar. Harfi jar. A harfi jar preposition is a word which is used before a noun or a noun to show its relation to the rest of the sentence. यानी preposition भी एक ऐसा part of speech है जो किसी इसम से पहले इस्तेमाल होती है और इसका ताल्लुq बाक़ीमानदा जुमले से ज़ाहिर करती है. For example, we can say the duster is on the dice. So dice के ऊपर है. The duster is in the dice. Dice के अंदर है. And the duster is under or beside the dice. So dice के नीचे है. In this way, preposition are basically, dear viewers and listener, small word. The small word just like in, at, of, to. These are preposition. And preposition doesn't give its complete meaning. It is just like when we are suppose building a stone wall, and in the stone wall there are small stone also which keep the balance of the wall and which is used to make the wall strong one. So similar is the case of preposition. Preposition are small word and it connects the sentences with each other. It has its own meaning as well, but the meaning is very small one. They are a structure word, not content word. Mean ये structure सही करती है किसी भी जुमले का. Inshallah we will explain it further and further. But today we are talking about it. So we use it before we use it before number 1 workplace. अभी आप कहेंगे कि वर्क प्लेस क्या होता है. सो वर्क प्लेस आम तौर पर ऐसा जगह होता है जो किसी बड़े इमारत पर मुश्तमिल हो और जिसके छोटे छोटे हिस्से हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, होम इज़ अ वर्क प्लेस. होम वर्क प्लेस है क्योंकि इसके भी छोटे छोटे इसमें कमरे होते हैं. लिविंग रूम, डाइनिंग रूम, किचन, वॉशरूम, सो मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ देयर. Similarly, school is also our place, because in school, you know, there is a different classes. Similarly, hospital is also our place. A hospital, because in hospital you see there are different wards, medical ward and orthopedic ward and different ward. Similarly, market is also our place, because in market there are so many shops. So before workplace we should use it. We should use what preposition? It, not in. Usually we pronounce in, but in is grammatically not correct in most of the places. Where's Bilal? So he's at home. Ghar par hai. We should say home. Where's Kashif? He's at school. Where's your mother? She's at hospital. At the hospital. Where's Khalid? He's at the market, at the bank, at the mosque, at the office, at the garage. So we should use it before workplace. Right, dear viewers and listeners, I hope you will have learned the use of it. Beside these, that was the first use of it. Beside these, we also use it before time. Secondly, we use it before time all the time. For example, when do you go to school? At 9 o'clock, at 8 o'clock. Right? When do you go to bed? आप कब सो जाते हैं? At 10 p.m. When do you get up? At 5 a.m. At 5 a.m. When do you recite the Holy Quran? At 6 a.m. So before time, all the time we will use it. Similarly, another use of it is we use it before noon. Noon mean दोपहर का वक्त. I will call you at noon. Noon. मैं आपको noon के वक्त कॉल करूँगा. या I will go to Peshawar at noon. And before midnight. Before night also we use it. Night. For example, I will call you at night. He will come home at night. So before these four places, there are some other uses always. We will inshallah discuss it in the coming sessions or the coming classes. But we should use it, the use of it, that it is a preposition basically, and we use it before number first workplace, number second before time, the third one before noon, the fourth one before night. Usually for the students, I would like to give one example further. Usually in the examination paper it come that suppose Khalid is a dash dash school, and then they have given us in 8 of and suppose on. So put the correct preposition. So in such a situation we should think that here the last word is school, and school is a workplace, and before workplace we should use it. So here if we fill Khalid is at school, so that will be the correct use. But if we write in, of or on, so then we will not get any, we won't get any marks of such question. Similarly, Ahmad goes to school dash dash 9 o'clock. यहाँ पर कोई टाइम दे लिखा है, so it means we should use we should put it, not in 9 o'clock or to 9 o'clock. That is wrong. So you should keep it in mind that whenever some workplace come, workplace means जो बड़ा जगह होता है. The thing which I mentioned, they are not all. There are a lot of other workplaces as well, but the formula is that when there is a workplace, so before workplace we should use to. I hope you will have learned the presentation, and whenever you ask about the place of anything or any person, you should use where. Where's Kashif? Where's Khalil? Where's my father? Where's my mobile phone? Where's my cape? And the contraction form of where is what? Where's. Where's. We shouldn't say where is my bag. because in the continuous form we should use wheres. Already we have discussed it. I hope you will have learned the use of where as well as the preposition it. Try to watch it so many times to improve your English language skill. Thank you so much for watching the video.